All right, still working on our ship spoon. We got one little section of the chain link dug out. We're going to work on this one now. We're not going to dig out the spoon bowl until all this other stuff's hogged out. Then after that, we're going to put it on a diet. We're going to take it down much thinner, everything. So right now we're using our Dremel 4300 to go through here, and fortunately I don't see any cracks or anything, but it's almost a couple inches of wood. And just like the other day when we finished with our little coffee grounds, we're going to add it to our preservative stuff for our spoon projects. There we go. So Ravana's coffee blend will be part of our projects for the next foreseeable future. All right, in here working on our ship spoon and getting these little chain linky things hollowed out and shaped. And this is a spoon bowl here. And obviously once we get all the shapes put in, we're going to hog off a lot of this excess. But I want to leave it thick while we're yanking and pulling on this thing, because it's less likely to break. Anyway, let's go do our coffee break. All right, we're out here outside of the workshop for a little bit working on this serious hunk of wood, and I am impressed that it has not broke, especially in these thinner spots. And we're going to get the old sanding device out here, and we're going to hog off a lot of this material, and that'll be when the shape really starts kind of taking form. Well, welcome back to the ship spoon build, and brought out the old big gun here, the Win 1-30, and we're trying to hog off a bunch of this wood and get the shape down. But this is still a serious hunk of wood, and we're going to finish doing the little chain link sections and the bowl of the spoon, obviously right here, and I'm going to work out the anchor assembly. But it is still a very serious hunk of wood. Working on the old ship spoon here with a file and kind of giving that feathered textured look. Sometimes these old tools will achieve effects that the power equipment just can't do. We use like needle files of different sizes, and been a long project trying to get through this stuff without breaking it and stuff, but the effect achieved once we get done was really gonna be cool. And once we get all the holes and everything all situated in the curves, then we're gonna hog off a whole bunch of this material, make it thinner, everything. You can see the links where the chains are joined, and got one more down here, and then we'll move to the anchor assembly. There's your spoon. All right, back here in the workshop, and we've been working on our ship spoon, and we've got the two anchor things basically dug out and shaping them up, and now we're starting to form up the spoon bowl. And the last thing we'll do will be like down here on this anchor. I want to have a little bit of someplace where I can get a good purchase on the wood while I'm using power tools, hand tools, or whatever else I need to do. But that's how we're doing, and it is awful hot. It's supposed to be heat indices like over 100, near 100. with severe thunderstorms arriving on and off. So anyway, that's what we're up to. All right, we're out here on the little stump and got the spoon held down by a little piece of cinder block. And we're going to use the Dremel to hog off some of the material. So, you want to go slow because this is really seriously old wood. But it's getting there. Just kind of evaluating things for any cracks or bad spots, and right now it looks pretty good. Yeah, we're slowly but surely hogging it out. I don't see any problems yet, but we'll go slow. Well, I've been hogging away at the old chip spoon bowl here, and we're getting down to it. Not too far, but it is some kind of hot out here. It's like 100 Fahrenheit. Humidity is about 90-some%. And you got to work in little shifts and, and then take a break. But anyway, that's what we're doing, and then we'll finish shaping, and then we'll really hog down a lot of the spaces and stuff. Okay, we are working on the spoon, the ship spoon today, and it is really, really hot out here, so we're kind of doing everything in little spurts, so to speak, and everything. We're going to be hogging out the spoon bowl a bit more and narrowing this out, and this will be where the anchor is. We'll get that done, and then once we get it all like shaped up and stuff, then we're going to lose a lot of this bulk and stuff. So I've been working on our ship spoon here, doing a lot of sanding and everything, shaping. This is proven to be quite a project. And it's been so horrible hot that you get on work out here for a little bit, then you go and take a break and stuff. But the more you sand everything, you're bringing out more grain and stuff. So we're probably going to end this video right here instead of making it really long. But there's one of your chain links, little grommet point. This is going to be what do you call it, the anchor assembly, spoon bowl. I call it the ship spoon. But anyway, that's what we're up to. Yeah, let me show you the sky. And they're talking about big time storms, man. High winds, tornadoes, everything else. So I don't want to bring out too much equipment and have to make a mad rush to get it put away.